Hey, welcome back to my channel, Brown Sugar Cocoa. Today I'm going to be showing you how to turn your nappy wig from this to this. Hey, how you doing? Alright, so if you want to know how I did that, just stick around and I'll show you.
So first you're going to want to detangle that nappy tail wig, get this nice bristle brush and do that. Then next you're going to want to co-wash. All I do is co-wash. I'm using this Garnier frutis conditioner to co-wash this nappy tail wig. And you just get it up in there real good because we're not going to use shampoo. We're just using conditioner. And get it up in there really good. Don't forget to get the lace really good with the conditioner as well, because we need it to be sparkling clean. Brush that junk out again because it's really napping. We're trying to get it unnappy. Then rinse, baby, rinse. Come on now, rinse, baby, rinse. It's best to use cold water to rinse your wig off, but you can use lukewarm water if you want, but cold water is the best, and that's what I am using today because we need it to be really, really conditioned. And then I go ahead and wring out that wig. Now go ahead and towel dry that wig once you got all of the conditioner out, and you need this little thingy right here to hold down the wig. I don't know why I can't think of the name of this right now, but put that pin in there, to the wig pin in there to hold the wig down on your mannequin head, and brush out that wig one more good time. A lot of brushing because it was very nappy, so we got to make sure it's very not nappy now. So brush it again, honey. Once you got all the kinks out, you're going to want to put in a leave-in conditioner. I am using this Lotta Body leave-in conditioner today, but you can use any kind you'd like. And I'm just going to spritz that around the entire head and just work it in there to make sure it's inside of all of the hair. Next, you're going to want to use a foam mousse. I'm using the Lotta Body Milk Honey, but you can use whichever kind you like to do this. And then we're just going to put that in a section, and then I'm going to roll it with flexi rods, and I'm using gray, purple, and orange today, but you can use whichever color flexi rods you want to use. I just chose these because I had the most of these, so I knew I would have enough to do the whole head with these colors. So make sure you got enough to do the whole head and use those. Here I'm just working my way up. You can see that I already got into the purple flexi rods, and I'm just making sure that the sections aren't too big per roller, because you don't want to have too much hair on one and then it come out looking crazy. And again, you're just putting that foam mousse on each section and then combing it out, making sure it's straight, and then putting that flexi rod in and twisting it up. And here I'm just finishing up the last two of the entire head. And once again, I did this on wet hair, but you can do this on dry hair as well, and it will dry faster, but I was in no rush, so I just did this on wet hair. And here is how it looks when it is all done and it's still wet. And here's the finished product. Flawless. This is me the next day. The hair is all the way dried. It dried overnight. And I'm just taking out all of the flexi rods. No special way to take them out. Just rip them out of there. It ain't no thing. This hair is pretty sturdy. And just, yeah, take all the rollers out. These curls came out so good. Like, look at that bounce. Look at them. Their curls are nice and sturdy, so they're gonna last you like a good. Look at it. Bounce, 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 bounce. Hey, all right, and they just flow and whatnot. They're just so pretty. This is when you know you did a good job and you did it right, and it's all the way dried. When it looks like this, it's looking kind of crazy right now because it's not like combed out or anything, finger combed out, but I'm about to do that now for you guys. Okay, here I am. I put got to be glued down so my wig is nice and sturdy and held down on my head. And now I'm just gonna like finger comb out some of these like curls, just loosen them up a little bit, you know, because I don't want them to be like real stiff like this. And I'm gonna fluff it up for you guys. And I'm just gonna put a little bit of shine spray. This is the Creame of Nature honey shine spray, but you can use whatever shine spray you want. Just use a little bit because this is virgin hair. So go ahead and just keep taking out the curls little by little until you like it. And again, just fluff it out and like brush it down until you shape it to where you're satisfied and happy with it. Because the more volume you want, the more you need to like fluff it out. But I liked it like this. So look at the way this hair just bounces and flows. It's not heavy or anything like that. It's really pretty, and the curls are going to stay like this, girls, for at least a week or two. You don't have to redo it. You just brush it out little by little each day, and the curls will become a little bit looser, but it'll still be able to like see the curls, and it'll be a little wavy and pretty. Can't tell me nothing, honey. All right, I'm ready to go out into the world and do hood rash with my friends.
I would really like to know you guys' opinions on how this wig turned out. If you could leave me a comment down below, I would really appreciate it. And share, comment, like, everything like that. I love you, Cocoa Beans. Bye!